Corn's doing okay, don't have too many of them. Tomato and some beets. Have some green beans coming up. Had to plant some up in here because the gopher's been busy. Oh, Grandma's little helper. Sunchokes. I planted cantaloupe over there on the other side of the asparagus. The sweet peas are probably about done. There's only 3 green beans left after the gopher attack. The zucchini's happy. Cucumbers are coming along. That is 6-shooter corn. That is a heirloom variety. Beefsteak tomato, Roma green beans, potatoes, sunchokes, more potatoes. I need to get the grass out of there. Those are yellow crookneck. Sam, get out of there. And I planted some cucumbers there. Well, that's about it for this week. Well, cleared this out. Get the sun. Sam, move your butt. And morning glories.